Hi guys, this is Rajiv Bhaskar. I help you with your English speaking fluency and your confidence. So today what exactly I am going to discuss in this particular video. I am actually going to discuss how exactly I immerse myself in the environment of English so that I can take my English speaking fluency to the next level. At the same time, I'll also be talking about how exactly you can immerse yourself in the environment of English so that you can also take your English speaking fluency to a very good level. So what is the first thing that I do to immerse myself in the environment of listening? I listen a lot. Listen and listening. So much listening, a lot of listening. I just completely immerse myself in the environment of listening. Actually, since the time I realized that listening has immense capacity to change the speaking ability, since then I started listening. Now I'll say, Rajiv, how is it possible to listen, because I don't have any friend who can speak in English and with whom I can talk to? No, even I don't live in an English speaking country, so how is it possible to listen? See, relax and try to understand. Nowadays it is the world of technology. Here everything, that means almost many things, are possible only from sitting home. So what do? I simply go to YouTube. After going to YouTube, I just search a topic of my interest, choose any one video that I literally like, and then I keep watching the video. If I find that video is very helpful and the sentences are very easy to understand, very simple, very nice, and it is a very good way it is fabricated, then I just save the video in YouTube. After that I just keep listening the same video, not for 1 day, 2 day, 3 4 days. I just simply listen the video more than a week, 7 days, or sometimes more than that. I just give the opportunity to my brain to listen that video over and over again, so that my brain get the chance to absorb the sentence construction, the words, the pronunciation, and many other things from that particular listening. Okay, and until and unless I get very comfortable in those sentences, I just keep listening the video, I just keep listening the audio. That is how I just immerse myself in the environment of listening. Okay, so that is my habit. Sometimes when I am going somewhere by bus, sitting in the bus, so that time there is nothing to do, just I connect my earphone and then just keep listening. And again when I am coming back home, the same thing I do, and that way I always keep myself busy with listening. So if you really want to be a better speaker, first of all you have to be a better listener. So listen a lot, listen a lot, and listen a lot. There is no alternative to listening, guys. Believe me, it is going to change the way you are thinking, the way you are constructing the sentences, even the way you are speaking. Everything going to change if you will give a little time in listening. This is going to change the way you are doing till now. Okay, so keep listening. Now what is the other thing that I do to immerse myself in the environment of English? What is the other thing? The other thing I do is repetition. Repetition is one of the most powerful weapon that you can use to master any language in the world. So as we are learning English language, so repetition is very important, because until unless we repeat something, we do not master it. We will not be able to master that. Okay, so language learning, it needs repetition. So I repeat a lot. Now we'll say that what do I repeat? What are the things are there that I repeat a lot? See, whenever I watch any video or any movie or listening that audio I said already. So whenever I'm listening something, so I definitely get very good sentences, very good phrases. So that phrases I feel like, yes, I feel like that, yes, this type of sentence I also want to have in my own speaking. I also want to improve like that. I also want to construct that type of sentences in my mind, and I also want to interact with people with those sentences. Definitely I just keep note of that sentences, that phrases in a notebook, in a copy, and then whenever I get time, at least 3 days a week. I just keep repeating them until unless I get very comfortable in pronouncing them, until unless I get very comfortable in speaking those sentences. So that's how I just keep repeating them to master the language, and that's really amazingly helping me to get fluency. And the most important thing here is you don't have to think about the grammar, because the grammar is already ready made. The grammar is already there, that is built already there. You don't have to give extra attention to the grammar part, whether you are placing the preposition, article or not. So there is no worry. So just you repeat yourself that sentences and that phrases, you are going to get very comfortable while you are using them in your speaking. And it's really amazing things that if you try once, you will get the result for sure. I'm getting the amazing result from this repetition. That's why I'm sharing with you guys. Start repeating from today onwards. Just start it and you're going to get result for sure. So what is the other way that I use to immerse myself in the environment of English? What is the other way? That is probably less important, but it is also important. That is reading. So I'm not a very good reader, but though I'm trying my best to be a reader, nowadays I'm just reading a little bit book, but I'm not a very good reader of books. I am a good reader of, you can say, of blogs. Okay, so sometimes when I don't feel like listening or speaking, or I'm in a situation where listening or speaking are not possible, that time I simply move to reading. So what do I read? Simply I just go to Google and I just write the topic of my interest and I just keep reading them. Okay, without making sound, just I keep reading them. And that's how I just try to put myself in the environment of reading. And I simply prefer the very simple text, no heavy words, no heavy sentences, and that type of text I just find out where no need of any dictionary. So that type of text I read a lot whenever I get time. And sometimes I also keep the note of the phrases or sentences if I get something important and I feel like that yes, this sentence I can also use in my own speaking, or this construction is very nice, amazing. I just keep the note of them and simply I just repeat them when I get the chance of repetition. So these are the 3 ways I just put myself in the environment of English practice, and that's how I immerse myself in the environment of English. I hope you guys, you have got the idea, and if you start like this, if you keep repeating, if you keep listening, and if you keep reading like this on a daily basis, there is no doubt that you will improve. There is no doubt you will definitely improve for sure. Just try to understand one very simple thing. If you plant a seed today, it will definitely become a tree tomorrow. But what is your job? Your job is to put in the time. Your job is to put in the effort. Your job is to put the water to it. It will definitely become a tree. But if you don't take the action, if you don't give the effort, it is not going to grow. The day you will start taking the action, the day you will start listening, the day you will start practicing, repeating the sentences, you will see the improvement. Everything, it will take time. Every good things take time. You have to accept this, and it is definitely going to grow. You are going to grow. You will definitely become a better speaker than what you are right now. Okay guys, I'll come back with more such amazing videos to help you guys, to help you achieve the fluency of English speaking. And I'm also trying my best to put myself in a very good level of speaking, and that journey will continue for sure. And also I'll request you to also keep your journey on, never give up. And if you like this video, please don't forget to like this video, and if you want to ask something, definitely you can write in the comment section below. I'll try my best to reply your comment. I'll come back with more such interesting lessons. Till then, take care. Bye.